So hello guys, today is day 3 of my trading journey. Today I took this particular trade on two contracts because we saw London session being pretty choppy, but we got a pretty significant drop in price after bank holidays that you can see I highlighted here for you. And it's actually because I was bearish biased. We can see that on trading view charts. There I can show you. The daily chart is pretty bearish because we broke structure to the downside and we are about to hit this liquidity void, actually 4 hourly liquidity void. So I'm thinking of retracement minimal down there to these levels. So that's why my take profit is there. On the 4 hourly chart, we are breaking structure to the downside pretty significantly. And you can see the liquidity void highlighted by this purple box here. So we are expecting drawing back to there. This is a solid closing point for one of our contracts as we want to secure the profits as soon as possible. As we saw market reversing at this market, not completely, but into this chop for quite some time. So I might consider taking one trade off as the 1 hourly chart is also getting some support on this liquidity down there. So yeah, taking one contract off to secure profit is actually the best thing I should do, and I'll do it right now. Also, guys, I want you to notice that
Order submitted.
I'm not actually trading polarity right now, and it's because
Order
it just
filled.
didn't prove to me as I wanted. So here I took one contract off to secure profits. I secured about $100 in profit, so that would cover my stop loss if it was hit. But I expect drawing to 74.25. Here, yesterday I was actually working till midnight, and I figured out this delta slingshot strategy by futures flow. It's pretty simple strategy that works above significant levels of liquidity. We could use it pretty much every trading day, but you won't get that many trades. It's actually very simple. The higher the delta to the side of that important level, the better the setup. Here you can see some screenshots from his video and my points to that strategy that I can execute it like a robot and emotionlessly. I'll cover that in another video because I think this strategy is performing pretty well in these trending markets. So actually, seconds after I closed my first clip, we broke that significant liquidity level at 4480 as buyers were trying to reverse the market here and keep it bullish. But we saw that we broke with significant delta around 600, so that's pretty significant. And also, guys, I want you to let you know that a red candle with point of control at the top of the candle is a bearish sign, so we should actually break even deeper into that take profit. So good job for me. I'll keep you guys updated how it ends up, but looks pretty promising. Now we are about $350 in plus, so I'm gonna just quit trading for today as this profit target is pretty nice and we hit it by $50 because my profit target for the day is $300. So thank you for watching.